What's up, guys? Today I'm using an anamorphic lens to shoot real estate.
Look, I just want to point out, this isn't a review video. This is just me at work with a new tool. How did I get here? Let's find out.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do another real estate video of sorts. I was lucky enough to snag this anamorphic lens from Christopher Burris. He did a whole review on his channel. If you want to go check that out, I will put a link right there and probably in the description as well. But he let me borrow this and I had a couple ideas for how to use it. One, I gotta figure out how to open it. Okay, here we go. It's a Sirui, I don't know how to say it. It's a 50mm 1.8 anamorphic lens. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on full frame. We're gonna be using the A7riii for this, but I can adjust down to Super 35 and be just fine. I shoot a lot of real estate and I thought, you know, what about adding this to the house videos, listing videos I do in real estate? Will it be, I don't know, something different, something that you don't see, and possibly make it look even more cinematic. The great thing is I don't always shoot the nicest listings. I kind of just shoot cookie cutter or just normal houses. I'm not always doing some crazy extravagant house. So I thought, you know, what better way to make a normal house look better than to film it anamorphically? Anamorphically, is that a word? So if I'm gonna do that, I need to figure out how to put that on my Zhiyun Weebill right here. So figured I would just take a second to build that out. Now, I know a lot of people use the Ronin S, and I've got the Ronin M I've had since the beginning. I got it in 2015, and it's done just fine. It's right over here, out of shot. You can actually see a little bit of the stand that I made for the wall that holds it. But it's just a big, giant thing. But I still use it. I will say that I am the guy that balances it pretty close and then just lets the motors do most of the work. And if I kill the motors, I'll just buy another one. But it's worth the time. Don't turn it on yet. What I'm worried about is because it's a 50mm, and I'm already having to punch in 2 Super 35 frame, that for real estate, it won't be great. But I'm hoping the anamorphic lens, and getting that wider range of view will kind of balance that out. And I don't see me using it for every shot. Probably use the standard stuff and crop to match. But I thought, you know, even a short video or adding these shots into a video will just give it a better look. As I said, close is close enough. The other problem is it's a manual focus. I'll have to set it and probably stop down to a 4. Or you really want to be shooting a 5.6 to 8 f-stop anyway when you're doing real estate. But it would be cool to get some nice 2.8. Let's go test it out. You ever on your way to a shoot and right before you leave, you get this feeling like, I should grab this thing because it might come in handy. Today, that's this guy. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's gonna come in handy at some point today. Okay, so this might not be the best house for an anamorphic lens. Time to do some filming. Later, and I finished the interior. Deceptively large house, full basement, lots of detail. Should come out pretty good. Now I just gotta pack up, put the drone in the air, get some shots, and I'm done. Boom. I'm thinking anamorphic in real estate. Until I can get an anamorphic that's wide angle, it's no go. I don't know if I'm even gonna add the detail shots to this. It just wouldn't make sense. I got the detail shots with the normal 16:9. I don't know. All right, as you can see, it didn't really work out. That's mainly because it's a 50mm as well as being cropped down to 35mm frame. It's just not capable to get wide enough to actually do a full house tour. I was able to get some nice accent shots, as you can see, but I had to get pretty far away just to get the outside of the house. I cannot get that far away inside the house because I'm inside the house. But it did open up my brain to getting some more, I don't know, I didn't spend a lot of time on it because I had to film and get the house done. But it did let me know that, or it did kind of help me figure out new and interesting ways to shoot a house. And that's kind of the best part with getting and trying something new and seeing if it'll work, is even if it doesn't work, you still learn other ways to shoot things. And then when you come back, you can just film a nice little video of yourself with the lens and get some nice lighting in there that I forgot to turn on. I wonder if this does anything when I unsqueeze the image. If not, I'm just holding a light. I don't know. I think now that I know that it won't work in real estate, I'll go try it on some other things.
Sure, we're at Olfart's Garage, and I'm Fred Giffels, and behind me is a 1957 Chevy 210 that looks like a Bel Air, all Corvette. I'm one of the founders of the Corvette Museum.